The best tire setup for riding out here in the desert Southwest is tubeless. You'll find yourself getting a lot of punctures out here from sharp rocks and other debris, and especially those pesky goat heads that you find all over the place. Well, I've got the best way to add sealant to a tubeless tire that's already been seated, and I want to show it to you in this little video I made. If you run tubeless tires on your bike, you know adding sealant can be a messy process, but the Park Tool TSI-1 makes it easy. It features an oversized injector body and a specialized needle tube that attaches securely to the base. Simply fill the body with your favorite sealant like the slime, then attach the plunger to seal the unit. Next, use the Park Tool VC-1 core removal tool to quickly unscrew the Presta valve core from your flat tire. The VC-1 core removal tool is an awesome addition to your toolkit to take with you on every single one of your bike rides. Insert the needle directly into the valve stem and inject the sealant. It's a clean, direct transfer with no wasted product. Clean the residual sealant out of the tool so it's ready the next time you need it. Once you've injected the quantity of sealant that you want in your tire, just reinsert that Presta valve core using your VC-1 tool and snug it down. Finally, attach your pump, air it up, and you're ready to hit the trails again. Fast, easy, and mess-free. The TSI-1 is a go-to tool for adding sealant to tubeless tires. I've got links in the description where you can purchase the tools you've seen here. If you use that link, I get a small commission without raising the price that you pay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, on Muddy Ruttzz, the best is yet to come.